Welcome back on my YouTube channel. This is Kabayang Nida. As you can see po, tayo po ay nandito sa isang big event. At bago po tayo magsimula dito ay paki-subscribe nyo po ng aking channel after you watch this video, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive my new updates. And then if you have any suggestions or comments, just comment down below. And then hit like after yung mapanood po ang aking video ito. At samahan nyo kami sa event na ito. At bago po ang lahat, mag-introduce muna po tayo.
Ang okasyon na ito po ay isang ring hop ng mga nurses na magagraduate ngayong August. At to start the occasions ay nagpamisa muna sila dito sa stadium. At ang pagkakaintindi ko po dito sa misang ito ay ang homily ng father ay isang mayaman at isang mahirap na binawian na ng buhay at nagkita doon sa langit. Sila po ay mayaman at mahirap na nagkita sa langit. Inihalintulad ng pare ang isang mayaman at mahirap na magkasama sa langit sa mga nurses na magtatapos na ito, na ang mga nurses na manunumpa sa kanilang tungkulin ay walang pipiliin na mayaman o mahirap sa kanilang paglilingkod. Ang lahat ay pantay-pantay sa kanilang pag-aalaga.
Abuyon Morning. Welcome to the first Nursing Clinical Graduation and Ring Hop Ceremony 2024. May we request everyone to please rise and welcome the procession of our students, esteemed faculty, and honored guests led by our fourth-year nursing students. Let us celebrate their success as they walk through the aisle of their relentless hardships and commitment. Let us welcome our honored guests, the alumni and faculty members of College of Nursing and Allied Health Sciences. Again, let us welcome our honored guests, the alumni and faculty members of the College of Nursing and Allied Health Sciences. Angela D. and Gumia John Patrick B. Ecuocha Meloca G, Estoya John Carlo B, Garcia Limuel John D, Helera Von Lester C, and Gonzalez Moore Benedict R. Lagrimas Jezreel B, Lavarro Alvin Christian A, Lopez John Carlo G, Malaluhan Carlos Gabriel T, and Mendoza Charles Roy O. Kristen Joy B, Aldover Joanne Trisha B, Aligado Eliza Antoinette A.
Luka.
Valoria Isabel M. Alvarado Bristol Ann E. Anian Revo Mary Kyla S. Arostique Marian May M.
Laki ng dalang electric fan, banaso. Mag-best friend po yan, mga kabayan. Baking pa, dalawa.
Argilio Leslie E. Claudia Amor P. De Chavez Frances Angeline L. De Mesa Trisha May A. De Torres Fatima G. Del Mundo Lian Andre V.
Good morning! Ayan, maganda umaga po sa ating lahat. Pwede ba natin batiin ang ating mga katabi? Good morning and finally, syempre sa mga graduates, finally, ayan, clinical graduation na. Ayan. At sa mga dear parents, maganda umaga po sa inyo at kayo po ay nakarating dito kay Backstate U Alabina. Ayan. So, for my welcome remarks po, ayan, nag-prepare po ako ng kaunti para po dito sa ating important event. So, distinguished guests, esteemed faculty members, clinical instructors, proud parents, and most importantly, to our graduating students. Ayan, ang naipasa namin sa registrar is 173 over 173. Ayan. It is with great honor and joy that I welcome you all to this momentous ring hop ceremony. Today, we gather to celebrate a remarkable milestone in the lives of our graduating students. As you don the ring that symbolizes your journey at Batangas State University Pablo Borbon campus, know that it is not merely a piece of jewelry. Okay? It is a tangible reminder of the knowledge, skills, and even memories you have gained during your time here and in your hospital duty. Ayan. The ring hop is a time-honored tradition that signifies the transition from student to being an alumni or alumnus. As you gather today, remember the friendships you have forged. Siyempre, huwag din kakalimutan yung mga knowledge and skills na natutunan ninyo. Also, the challenges you have overcome and the experiences that have transformed you. This, yung ring ninyo, a little later, will serve as a beacon of your accomplishments, connecting you to the university and to the legacy of the excellence that we have shared together. May it inspire you to achieve great things in your future endeavor. As you take this next step in your lives, know that you have the support and admiration of your clinical instructors, your mentors, and even your classmates. Okay? We are confident that you will go on to make a positive impact to the nursing profession. Now, let us celebrate this special day and the bright future that lies ahead. So, congratulations to this class 2024 or batch 2024. Palakpakan nyo ang inyong mga sarili at you deserve that. Ayan. So, all we need to say welcome remarks. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang mga tumulong for today. Bago ko kayo makalimutan pasalamatan, the Spartan League of Nurses na laging nakasuporta sa atin, even from the day 1 ng pasukan up to the last day, even sa mga important events ng nursing, ayan, talaga nakasuporta kayo. To Sir RJ, na lagi rin namin kasama bilang ating host or MC. And then gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang full support ng Ma'am Helen Aragon. Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Helen. Talaga, siya ay kahit bakasyon na ay talaga pasok pa rin ang pasok at talaga iniintindi pa rin ang mga preparations for this ring hop ceremony. I hope you enjoy for today's event and I wish you good luck sa inyong future endeavor. At meron pa naman tayong mga pagsasamahan, but do not forget that the College of Nursing and Allied Health Sciences is here for you. Okay? Kung nakagraduate man kayo, may re-represent kayo sa amin, open ang ating college para sa inyo, para kayo tulungan. Okay? And for that, thank you very much and big congratulations to all of you.
Ma'am Right. Thank you so much for that very tactful, welcoming remarks. But first, let us acknowledge the presence of the President of Batangas State University, the National Engineering University, Dr. Kirsten A. Rockwood.
Students and our administration, let's go and give a round of applause to Dr. Carmina M. Margarita Layton, one of our alumni here at Batangas State University College of Nursing. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Kaili, for that warm introduction. And may I add that I'm also a wife and the mother of a 1-year-old beautiful baby girl. Again, thank you, Ma'am. To the respected faculty, proud families, and most importantly, our exceptional nursing graduates, I am wishing a good morning to all of us. It is a privilege for me to stand before you in this first nursing clinical graduation and ring hop ceremony. Not only to congratulate you, but also to share my own journey and express my deep appreciation for the vital role you as nurses will play in the field of medicine. As I look at each of you, I see familiar faces that reminded me of my own journey in nursing school and medical school. The journey was hard, filled with countless hours of study, difficult exams, and demanding clinical rotations. There were moments of exhaustion, self-doubt, and overwhelming pressure. But through it all, one thing remained constant.
Parents, you may accompany your son and daughter in receiving the symbolic ring. Batch 2024. Abanico John Malso, Aquino John April C. Carmela Angela Lee. Jerome.
Wala siyang parents kaya teacher ang kinuha. Ito lang ano, kasi
Estoya John Carlo B. C.
Hindi nila ako merenda. Masyado pa rin pa.
Aguirre Chelsea R. Alcazar Kristen Joy P. Daramola Deborah Oluwa Bukola. De Castro, Gloria Amor P. De Chavez, Frances Angeline L.
Good morning to all of you, especially to our dear parents, to our guests, to our faculty members who are present here, and also to our dear students. Congratulations pala sa inyo. Okay. So, it is my distinct pleasure to recognize the outstanding achievements of the top 10 nursing students who have excelled in their clinical duties. These exceptional individuals have demonstrated unparalleled dedication, skill, and compassion in their pursuit of excellence in giving quality care to our patients. Okay, for the 10th place, from 4201, so Miss Abadilla Desiree Ann S. Congratulations, Miss Abadilla.
achieving the highest distinction in clinical performance among the BS Nursing Batch 2024. Through your remarkable skills, unwavering dedication, and professional demeanor, you have left an indelible mark as an exemplary student in the clinical setting. Given during the conduct of nursing clinical graduation and rehab ceremony 2024 with the theme, the Beacon of Excellence and Expertise, Illuminating the Heart of Healthcare, held on June 18, 2024 at Fitness Development Center of Batangas State University, the National Engineering University Alanilan Campus. Signed, yours truly, the program chairperson of BS Nursing, Mrs. Rochelle Ann Esquinia, Associate Dean, CONAS, and Assistant Professor Raichel Q. Legaspi, Dean. And the top one in clinical performance is from BSN 4204. A round of applause to Luis Abigail P. Marquista.
A few moments later.
Parents, you may accompany your son and daughter in receiving the symbolic ring. Batch 2024.
Wala siyang parents kaya teacher ang kinuha.
Hindi nila ako merinda. Masyado pa rin sa bago.
Agile, Chelsea R. Alcazar, Kristen Joy P. Castro, Gloria Amor P. De Chavez Frances Angeline L.
Jesus, model of the inspiration of the nursing profession. We know that when you ascended into heaven, you left the care of the sick to us, whom you have blessed with the holy vocation of mercy. Help us to be faithful to that calling, so that we can perform our duties according to your will. Grant that our voice be gentle, our touch brings comfort, so that our patient will have hope and find consolation through your intercession. Please give us the grace to serve the weak and the needy as angels of the sea. Amen.
The presence of Miss Marlene Gonzalez of BSN 4201.
With hearts full of empathy and minds attuned to excellence, please raise your right hand as we recite the Nightingale speech. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping, and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty, will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. I promise further to remain a loyal citizen of my motherland, Philippines,